Sally Holland's job is to stand up for children and young people.
She's working on a 3-year plan to make children's lives better.
Sally will have a job for 7 years. She talks about 8 important subjects on her annual report. 9 reports have been published by the office in the last year. She has 26 members of staff. 540 children took part in our work on travelling to school safely. There were 531 pieces of media coverage. Over 200 schools took part in our Super Ambassador scheme.
We responded to 42 consultations.
540 people contacted the office.
913 children took part in our work on school dinners.
There are 640,000 people under 18 in Wales.
Everyone is important.